Hey everyone, this is Saurabh Mathur, and in this video I'll be telling you 3 surprising things that my mentor taught me about YouTube marketing, which I was not aware about, and I'm sure you may not be aware about as well. So if you're new to this channel is all about make money online, where I tell my tips and strategies to help you build a sustainable, profitable business online. So please make sure that you're subscribed to the channel so that you don't miss out on any of my future videos. So now coming back to the topic as to what surprising things my mentor has taught me about internet marketing. Before that, let me introduce you to my mentor. His name is Joshua Elder. You can just go to YouTube and search for Joshua Elder. So Joshua Elder is a super affiliate and he's earning thousands of dollars online. And he has got this YouTube channel and he's got around 45,000 subscribers, and he posts videos almost daily, and he provides a lot of value through his videos. He tells about different strategies, different tips that will help you to succeed in this online industry. And the good thing is he also shares his income proofs in almost all the videos, so that you can believe that he's a true guy. He's not someone fake guru out there, and that he has implemented those steps which he's telling in these videos, and he is already making thousands of dollars using those strategies which he's teaching. So the number one surprising thing he told me about how we need to approach in creating the YouTube videos. Previously, what I used to do, I just pick up a topic and talk about it. If there's a product, I just tell about that product and put my link in the description, and that's the usual thing which all the gurus tell us. But what Joshua Elder told is that there is a specific way, a specific format as to how you need to open the video and how you need to provide value to the viewer. What will be your call to action? What will be your closing? I have personally bought many courses around YouTube marketing and internet marketing, but nobody has told me about those tips. And I must tell you, I've been implementing those tips and I've been getting my fair share of success. And it's been only a month since I've come under Joshua Elder, and I'm learning a new thing every day. The next surprising thing which he told me about YouTube marketing is the in-depth keyword research and why it is very important. So let's say you want to make some video, you want to check out some video about around how to make money online. So you will just search for the videos, and you will come to all these videos which are there for this particular keyword, how to make money online. And if you want to make a similar video around these keywords, it will be very difficult for you to rank for these keywords, for these broad keywords. So what he taught us, that what you need to do, you need to find the other related keywords as well from YouTube. So how you can do that? So let's say you have type in how to make money online. What you need to do, just give a space, and you will see all these different keywords which are related to the main keyword, how to make money online. How to make money online as a teenager, how to make money online in India, how to make money online for free, how to make money online without investment. So rather than creating just one video on how to make money online, you can create different videos on all these related keywords as well. There's one more way to find the different keywords. So once you have typed in your main keyword and you hit spacebar on your keyboard, then you can start typing different alphabets starting from A. So it will give you all the options, all the related keywords starting with alphabet A. Then you can do the same for alphabet B. So as you can see, you're getting different ideas for different videos around the main keyword of how to make money online. And you can do this for any of the keyword in any niche. The next thing which he taught us about YouTube marketing is you need to trust the process. So if you have picked up YouTube marketing as a platform to promote your product or different affiliate products, you need to trust the process. You need to keep on creating videos even if you're not getting views. Just do not quit. That's the main thing that will separate you from the rest of the people. Trust the process. There is a snowball effect. If you keep on making video every day, within 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, it will have a snowball effect, and your hard work gonna pay off. You need to be patient. With do not expect results, instant results in 24 hours. I'm not saying you will not get results in 24 hours, but if you're not getting results, do not be impatient. Do not think that you have picked up the wrong niche or you're doing something wrong. Just trust the process. And you must be thinking from where I've learned all these things. As I've shown you the YouTube channel for Joshua Elder, he gives all the different tips and techniques, different strategies for free out there. So that is one of the good starting point. But Joshua Elder has got an inner circle program as well, which I have joined recently. And in this inner circle programs, he gives all the different tips, techniques, different traffic methods like YouTube marketing, Facebook marketing, how to market using solo ad, how to copy his own campaigns, how to copy his own bonuses, how to copy his own email swipes for different programs. So this is basically the sales page for Inner Circle program, and I'll give you a link to this program in the description down below. You can check it out. Now let me take you inside the members area of Inner Circle to show you how much value you're going to get by joining the Inner Circle. So you can see with the getting started, you will learn all these things: how to choose a niche, the 3 markets that will pay you forever, play the long game, affiliate networks, understanding traffics. I told you YouTube free traffic, Facebook free traffic, solo ad traffic. Let me go into YouTube free traffic and show you the different modules inside YouTube free traffic. You can see all these are different modules, different videos, and these are long videos. You will also get different worksheets in these videos, and you will also see the automation part of it, how you can set up a funnel. So Josh has given all the steps, all the tools which are needed, what all things you need, how to set it up, and he has even given his own funnels for us to use. And there are different case studies. He even gives us his assets for FunnelX ROI, for Easy One Up, and he also does a weekly live stream as well, where he invites the members of Inner Circle and they can ask questions directly to Josh. And even if you have any question or anything, just drop an email to Josh, and he's very prompt in responding to emails. And the good thing is that with this Inner Circle program, Josh is also giving a 30-day money back guarantee. So if you are not happy within the first 30 days, if you're not happy with what is being taught in the program, you can just drop an email to Josh and he will refund your money back. Now coming to the price point of joining the Inner Circle program, it will cost you $497. It's a one-time payment, and there are 2 ways to make the payment. Either you can make the complete payment as a one-shot payment of $497, or you can also make 2 payments of $297. Guys, if you're thinking, oh, this is a very high price for a beginner, well, you need to understand, if you are serious about making money online, if you're serious about starting and building a successful online business, you have to invest something in yourself. You have to invest in your training, in your development. Let's say, for example, you want to become a lawyer. Even for that, you need to do the complete education. You need to get the degree for the lawyer. You have to invest in that degree. You have to invest in yourself so that you're prepared. You're ready to be a lawyer. So it works the same way in the field of internet marketing as well. You need to be prepared to be successful. You need to invest yourself in you need to invest in training. You need to invest in tools. This is just the initial investment which is the required. With this initial investment, I can assure you, you won't have to go to any other program after this. And this Inner Circle program, it is being updated very frequently by Josh, so it will not go stale or the methods will not go outdated. So there is a lot of value out of this program. And as I told you, if you're serious about making money online, you have to get this program and you will not look back. So I hope you found some value out of this video. If you found some value, please make sure to like this video, and I'll also give the link to this Inner Circle program in the description down below. Guys, that is all about this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.